Normally in industry people do 2 to 3 design in a 2 to 3 year time frame. No, and we complete from scratch to up to final product in 6 to 8 months. And if you say in the last year we have delivered more than 10 hardware products.
As we all know that market is dynamically moving and it's moving more from ASIC to FPGA, maybe because of requirement of low level of investments.
In last 3-4 years, we have developed ourselves as an FPGA centric embedded system development company.
We work in every area of basically which relates to electronics.
Telecom, semiconductor, medical, aerospace, defense, security.
High speed protocols, and there can be a number of applications.
Basically video processing or communication wired or wireless.
UA, integration, you name it and we have it.
Wherever the market requires highly complex but low volume products,
Wherever electronics is required,
there we come into picture.
we provide every solution for them.
We are pioneered in high-speed board design, which includes 10G, 40G, 100G and 400G.
PCI Gen 4.
Working on
And
latest
currently we
technology.
are working on cutting-edge technology, that is PCI Gen 4, USB 3.0, 3.1.
We make a rugged mechanical chassis. We do all the thermal environmental testing.
And our projects are successfully compliant of some MIL standards like MIL standard 704, MIL standard 461E, MIL standard 810D, and some hardware tools we have are Allegro 16.6, OrCAD, SolidWorks Professional, SolidWorks Flow Simulations, and we use all of these softwares, and we have some expertise to fully explore all these softwares.
Biggest strength of our team is the high level of collaboration that we work with, because in this way we can tap into the knowledge and expertise of anyone in our team who has expertise in that particular area.
We have person from BSP, we have person from middleware, we have persons who have worked on UI as well as web servers. So the whole team has experience in every field that is required right now in, you can say, in the products that are in the field right now.
And I think everybody is very dedicated about their work, and they have good knowledge of their work, and they share their knowledge and work experience.
We are professionals from different technical backgrounds, and when it comes to deliver a particular project, we support each other.
Communications within the team. Supporting.
Yeah, that is
There
very
is no one senior and junior relation in there. Means everyone loves to help each other and maintains a friendly relationship, neither a senior junior relationship.
One day you are working with one protocol or project, second day you are assigned with different project, and so which is totally different from what you are doing earlier, and we are doing it without compromising with the quality of product.
QA team collaborates with every other team in the company, like FPGA software. It has to think with the perspective of every team members.
We understand the project as a whole, not from one point of view, that is for FPGA or software or hardware.
Our strength is our unity. We work here as a family. Positive thoughts and motivation is our strength.
The employees are real asset, and we have that great quality employees.
इस कंपनी में मैं अभी नया आया हूँ. मेरे को हर किसी का सपोर्ट मिला है. डायरेक्टर सर से सपोर्ट मिला है, हमारी टीम में गायत्री जी से सपोर्ट मिला है, गरिमा जी से सपोर्ट मिला है. हिना जी अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है किसी रीज़न से. मुझे उनसे भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिला है अपने वर्किंग में.
We are Spartans.
We are Spartans.
अलग-अलग बोल दिया.
No restriction.
Here we get an opportunity to work on a project from the very scratch.
So it's like it's not like if someone is working on a module. It's like someone is having a knowledge of the whole project, like what's going on. It might be in the FPGA team and the software are in DSP team.
You have the complete freedom to do the things according to yourself. Means you can have the R&Ds according to you.
It's the new challenges with every project, which keeps us motivated to learn new things.
The workload is there, no doubt, but it's not like that pressure is being put on a single person only. It's properly distributed, and you'll not feel that that workload is bearing you down, but it's actually motivating you to work even better.
You are having always a growing environment.
We are having projects from the different domains. Though we are working in design, whenever we are approaching any problem, we are first encouraged to think how we will be testing it.
The best thing here is the people we form as a team. Everybody is bringing their unique capabilities to the table.
The transparency between the different sub-teams in the software team. That you are working with integration with the hardware team, with the FPGA team, with software team. Everyone is cool-minded, working in very good environment. So that the team spirit is very high.
And also flexible timings.
Yeah, I can say freedom of working.
Plus point.
That is a plus point.
And also
we can come at any time and we can go any time. We are working on Saturday, Sunday also, but we are free for that.
And also one more thing I like is that
friendly.
We learn that how to, for example, in different fields, that how to communicate with hardware, how to communicate with FPGA. And we got to learn a lot of things. It's like that we are being paid to learn.
It has an open culture.
The company believes in quality work, not quantitative work. So the main focus is on the work, completion of work, and the quality of work which we present should be good. Should not be good, should be best.
Tremendous growth opportunity.
In LFT, we have state-of-the-art infrastructure. The equipments that we use have the latest technologies.
जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था यहाँ पे ओनली 30 एम्प्लॉय थे. नाउ वी आर रीचिंग अप्रॉक्स 100. वी कैन ग्रो आवर करियर इन वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम.
हमारी कंपनी इंडिया के साथ साथ आउट ऑफ इंडिया भी वर्किंग करती है, तो मेरे को हर चीज़ का एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है. एक्सपोर्ट सेल, एक्सपोर्ट परचेज.
It is the best company to work because of its flexible working hours, and everybody has a freedom to raise her points to management team in transparency.
And you can easily take work from home.
Yeah, even work from home.
Work from home, and nobody forces you to work on weekends also. That's the good thing.
Not getting maybe I don't know, over the time we have set a tradition of working on weekends. Might be a little bit, maybe we can reduce it to some extent. I don't find anything negative in my company. That's why we are working.
Yes, we are always loaded with a number of work.
I am here from last 2 years. I never feel anything is negative in this company. I will give 10 out of 10.
We should focus on the marketing part, that too in digital marketing.
Work along with recreation, some fun should be necessary for the company's overall growth, for the company's growth as well as employees' growth. So I think the focus should be laid upon such activities.
फाइनेंस से रिगार्डिंग ही बोलना है कि कुछ भी बोल दूँ? 1 सेकंड लगेगा, रुको 5 मिनट तो.
We do enjoy working at LFT, and this is the sole reason I get up every morning and I think of coming here, because I am quite happy working here.
A very capable, complete team.
End-to-end system design company.
FPGA development for the embedded world.
Electronics design house.
FPGA design services.
$400 employee, $10 million revenue, bottom line 20%.
Company providing maximum return in the market.
Globally renowned company.
First choice of engineers graduating from premier institutes. Do you have any challenge to discuss?